Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for January 24th. I'm going to start off with the S&P 500. Okay, we've been bullish overall from 3502. We've seen 2,676.75 handles to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. We've been updating this one from 5678.50, which I said would project this upward 240 minimum, 570 plus maximum. We've attained 500.25 of that so far. That's off hold as well as the rest of the bullish calls. Then more recently, I said the trade above 5902.50. I warned a strength that brought in 253.5 and a little bit more today. And then we were also bullish from above 59.81.50 for 150 handles. We've seen over 174.5 of that. And then I said the trade above 60.74 projects this upward 74 minimum, 281 plus maximum. We'd attained 82 going into today, getting the minimum of that, and then a couple more right here. However, we've held this trend line, which I said to sell against, and also the exhaustion of a level just above it was at 61.61, which we had listed here. And we're rolling over a bit. If we take out this formation right here, which is going to come in at 61.26.89 plus 141, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, that will warrant a decent pressure, maybe as much as 85 handles, possibly more. Again, it's a very steep formation, so you may wait for a pullback. If we break below there decently and back up through it decently, look for decent strength to come in, likely right back up through these highs. And if we take this line out decently, that is going to warn of a run for these highs up here at 61.78.75. A maintained gap lower on Monday will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, and the gold left the maintained gap higher today. A maintained gap lower in there on Monday will leave a minor bearish reversal above. We've been bullish since the break above, or just on a short-term basis from the break above 59. Excuse me, that's the S&P. We have been bullish in here from the holding exhaustion, or from 1118. We attained a 184.4 to the upside, and a little bit more than that today. We'd broken above this line decently, but then did not quite get a decent break back below it. But a decent break back below it will warrant decent pressure again, as well as a decent break below this line, and a decent break below this line will have more substantial projections to the downside. Bear with me a minute. A decent penetration in there is going to be $10 and 55 cents through the open, and then thereafter it will be $9.50. Like I said, a maintained gap lower would also leave a minor bearish reversal above. I also noted that we are likely in the last stretch of this move up from 25.96.70. We did not hold any particular exhaustion level or anything here, but there is another exhaustion level up here at 28.10.30. So again, I'd be watching for a decent break back below this line, and then that could cascade by also giving you other opportunities below these. Okay, and then in the Bitcoin, been bullish overall from 16.275. We've seen 92,685 per coin to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Then I said the break above 96,375 to 420 projects us upward 6,800 plus. We attained 13,730, and the break above 99,755. I said projected this upward 10,000. We've attained 10,395. And then just yesterday, I said that break above 104.304. Put this above a steep formation that warrants decent strength. So we broke above there, came back off, did not hit the stop, and then rallied again. Then I said to get short on it, fail back below here. So we were seeing a little bit of pressure right in here, but overall, this is still bullish. If we were to fail back down through this line decently, that would warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 102.158 minus 174 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday. And if this rallies up to take this formation out above, which is going to come in at 111.007 plus 22 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m., that will warrant a decent strength. Okay, I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I will see you on Monday's podcast.